Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a fruit that has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It is renowned for its numerous health benefits and is considered a powerhouse of nutrients. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which is essential for boosting the immune system, promoting healthy skin, and aiding in the absorption of iron. Amla is packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Amla has digestive properties that can help alleviate indigestion and constipation. It also promotes the health of the gastrointestinal tract. The high levels of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in Amla contribute to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, regulating blood pressure, and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Research shows that Amla, scientifically known as Phyllanthus emblica, demonstrates significant potential in regulating blood sugar levels. For instance, a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition revealed that individuals who consumed Amla extract for 21 days showed a 12% decrease in fasting blood sugar levels. In another research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, it was found that Amla improved insulin sensitivity by 20%, thereby making glucose metabolism more efficient and effective in diabetic individuals. Furthermore, a clinical trial conducted in 2011 indicated that nearly 2/3, or about 67% of the diabetic patients who incorporated Amla into their diet, reported significant improvements in their blood sugar control. Thus, the scientific data backs the role of Amla in blood sugar regulation, presenting it as a beneficial dietary addition for individuals with diabetes. Amla is known for its positive effects on hair and skin. It can strengthen hair, reduce hair fall, and promote a healthy scalp. The antioxidants in Amla also contribute to skin health by combating aging and promoting a radiant complexion. Amla has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in Amla may have potential cancer-fighting properties by neutralizing free radicals and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Amla is a good source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight. Regular consumption of Amla may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders. Amla supports liver function and helps detoxify the body. It may protect the liver from oxidative damage and enhance its ability to eliminate toxins. Amla contains compounds that may help boost metabolism, aiding in weight management and promoting overall energy levels. Amla is a rich source of various essential nutrients, including vitamins such as B-complex vitamins, minerals like calcium and iron, and amino acids, contributing to overall health and well-being. Incorporating Amla into your diet, whether through fresh fruit, juice, or supplements, can be a valuable addition to promote holistic health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication.